So hey, what's up guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video we are going to draw a cartoon bird. Now I am making this drawing very simple, so I will start with a pencil sketch and then I will sketch it with a black pen. I am starting with this oval-like shape. We will draw two ovals for the eyes. Oh sorry, not too small. And eyelids. And the beak. We'll make a line like this at the bottom. And I am giving here a little curve to this part. And underneath it, we will draw a shape almost like the structure. And here give feathers in a pattern of 3, 2 and 1. And then ears at the top, eyebrows at the upper side of the eyes, and then legs and then toes. And now I am making a little corrections in the sketch. Now we'll erase the whole sketch with a little might. Now we'll sketch this drawing with the black pen. Here give a little attention because you can't erase the mark of an ink.